Iya. Sawarak sak mau kemini.
This village at Nasolo has been a particularly special one for me, given the Talano session that we just had, and so many issues that were discussed, brought up by the villages themselves, both men and women. And I'm so thankful that the village has agreed to come on board in this campaign to address violence against women and children in this village. The special feature about this campaign is that the community themselves takes ownership of the campaign, so that the success and the failure of the campaign is in the hands of the community. And because they have taken ownership, they are fully committed to making things happen, to make a change in this village. The fact that they have agreed to come on board in this campaign shows that they do have a lot of challenges to address in this village. And this is a step towards trying to make things right and to make a difference from what was the situation here and what they can look forward to in the future. The success has been measured through reports from the police because when we start off at the initial stage, we have statistics from the police department to show the problems that they face in this village. And when the village has gone through the 10-phase program that can take up to 12 months before it is completed, then the police themselves will have to report to us as to the improvement that has been made, a reduction in the reported cases, and also the gatekeepers committee in this village can present to us a report that the campaign has been effective and that the violence has been significantly reduced. Yeah, we are looking at the determinants or the causes of violence, so that we are it is helping us in promoting the empowerment, economic empowerment of women, because poverty is an underlying cause of violence. So that once the communities have declared zero tolerance to violence, then the step up will be the continuing monitoring of the program, and also the continuing monitoring of addressing the determinant of violence, particularly with their income generating activities, that they will more likely they can progress from the everyday living kind of profit that they make of the small income generating activities, that they can progress to entrepreneurship and to look at exports. Our ministry is beginning from this year. We are now identifying products that can be exported, so we are more export driven. And we would like to see these communities who are violence free, they are more likely to be committed to this kind of program. And we would like to form a cooperative where all these women, through the women's resource centers that are being constructed, are able to produce products that can, whose quality can be controlled, and also that the supply can be consistent enough for us to look at markets outside of Fiji. With the other communities, they're very happy with it, particularly when at the end of the preparatory activity, we put up a billboard to say that this is a violence-free community. And the reports we get from them is not only is violence against women and children cases are reduced, the overall crime rate within that community is confirmed by the police to also have reduced. So this has been a plus for us. As a follow-up to this, we're going to be having a summit in August where representatives of the gatekeepers committees of communities that have declared violence-free, they will all be coming together to share experiences and perhaps have lessons to be learned from each other, and for us to keep them keen and interested and sustain the campaign for in the communities that they are responsible for.